I thank God for our president, President Muhammad Buhari. It is very untrue that he does not like Igbos.
Okay.
I'm a beneficiary of, without me being a member of his party or any party, I'm a beneficiary of his support for indigenous businesses.
Okay.
But people don't know. People believe what they read out there. The federal government of Nigeria has given me designations they've never given anybody.
Okay.
Yet I'm an Igbo man.
That's right.
I don't know anybody. I don't have any godfather.
Yes, you just do your business.
Yes, the federal government, the President Buhari, through his minister, Hadi Sirika, has given me China, has given me London, has given me Portugal, has given me the entire Europe.
You're an Igbo man.
I'm an Igbo man. Has even given me Jeddah.
Wow.
I'm not a Muslim, but they've given me Jeddah. They've given me US. They've given me US. They've given me India, and all of them. So the government has given me about 20 designations to fly to. I'm an Igbo man. It's not true that President Buhari doesn't like Igbos.
Okay.
So people should be able to separate politics from what the president wants. Equal economic development everywhere. And this president, for sure, I will tell you categorically that when the time comes, we give his assent and approval to this airport to be a full-blown international airport.